Mastering the art of voice changing in Discord on iOS.
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of voice changers. More specifically, we're going to learn how to use a voice changer feature in Discord on iOS devices. This can add an element of fun and surprise to your Discord conversations, or even provide a bit of privacy if you're not comfortable sharing your real voice.
Does Discord have a built-in voice changer?
The answer is, unfortunately, no. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Discord does not offer a built-in voice changer. However, don't worry. There are still ways to change your voice on Discord, and we will explore these options.
What will we need?
In order to use a voice changer with Discord, we'll need a third-party voice changer app. There are several voice changer apps available for iOS. One commonly used app is VoiceMod, but there are others you could explore like Voice Changer Plus or RoboVox Voice Changer. For the purpose of this video, we'll focus on VoiceMod as it provides a variety of voice options and is quite user-friendly. Please note that these apps are not affiliated with Discord, so use them at your own risk and make sure to review any terms, conditions, or privacy information before use.
How do I set up the voice changer app?
After you have downloaded your chosen voice changer app from the iOS App Store, follow these steps. 1. Open the voice changer app. 2. You should see a range of voice options. Experiment with these until you find one you like. Remember, the goal is to have fun or gain some privacy, not to cause harm or deceive others. 3. Most of these apps will have a recording feature. Use this to test the voices and hear how you sound.
How do I use the voice changer with Discord?
Now that you've selected your preferred voice, it's time to connect the voice changer app with Discord. 1. Open the Discord app on your iOS device. 2. Join a voice channel or start a voice call. 3. While in the voice call or channel, switch back to your voice changer app. 4. Start the voice changer, usually by pressing a Start or On button. 5. Switch back to the Discord app. Now, everything you say in the call will be in your chosen voice from the voice changer app. Please note, some voice-changing apps may require you to record the voice first, then play it during your Discord conversation. Make sure to understand how your chosen voice changer app works. And there you have it. Now you know how to add a dash of mystery or fun to your Discord conversations by using a voice changer app. Remember, the primary goal is to enjoy and respect each other's presence. Make sure you're not using this tool to harass or deceive other users. Have fun, be responsible, and see you next time.